What's up, people? Welcome back. Right, so today's a little bit of a different job. It's a bit of machining work, and I'll show you what I've got to do. Right, so this is for the boys down at Car SOS. What we've got is some MGB parts, and with this in there, this MGB has got like some blown V8 in it or something, and this catches the wheel. Yeah, so what they've asked me to do is convert it over to rose joints, right? So we've got our joints, we've got our bolt, and that's all we've got. The steering rack here is 9/16 by 18 pitch, if I'm correct, and you can't get a rose joint that fits that. So what we've got to do is make the bit for in the middle, the turnbuckle, and then make the spacers, the triangle looking things, I can't remember what they're called, misalignment spacers. So I have actually already started. So this is the one turnbuckle I've made. So the one side is 1/2 inch by 20. This side is a bit bigger, it's a 9/16. I'm waiting for a tap to come to tap that out. That's basically the turnbuckle. I'm going to put some flats on here so I've got something to grab to. And this is the start of the one triangle piece. I can't remember what they're called again. I've just said it, hadn't I? Honestly, they're all falling apart. Misalignment spacer. So I've got to make another one of these. That's what it's going to be. This bit at the top is going to be chamfered in. So I've got to make another 2 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you up, and what we're going to do on this one, I've just faced it. We're going to bore it through. Right, so I've faced it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill it through at 7/16. Then we're going to run a tap in to the edge of the tap. This is the tap. It's going to come to me. So that tap has to go in to the end of there, that's it. Then we're going to turn down the OD to 19mm. And then we're going to leave 10mm, flip it round, do the same again on the other side. And then we'll end up with the same as this. Easy as pie. Right then, that's them 2 done. So what we're going to do now is put some flats on them. So what I'll do is I'll use in there. Let's have a think. Right, so now we've done them, I've got them in one of these blocks. And we're going to throw it in the mill. I'm just going to put a couple of flats, just something to grab onto with the spanner. Yeah, we're flying down this now. Well, I haven't cut threads in a while. 1/2 inch by 20. No wobble. That's the way we like it. But it's not, because I just hate cutting threads. Beautiful job. Right, this is just a bit of a clarification of what's going on there. Basically, I deleted everything after that. Basically, we made the turnbuckles and they fitted sound. The taps came, tapped perfectly for the rack. Beautiful job. The misalignment spacers, that one that you saw, basically all I did then was throw that in the chuck, put a chamfer on it, jobs are good, and that's pretty much all the misalignment is, because you don't get much travel on the arm, because it's only got to have a very small amount at the rose joint, but by the time it's at the ball of the rack, it's quite a lot. You probably couldn't even see me doing that then, but so yeah, we did that. So that was that part done. The bit that was sticking out the bottom of the misalignment spacer, basically the blue arms that go on the hubs, I bored those out because they had a taper in them for the standard original joints. So I bored them out on the mill, and that pressed in, so it fixed itself, if you know what I mean. What else did we do? Oh, and those threads at the end, another job that came in from Car SOS was 2 shock bottom pins for the bottom of the shocks. It runs a Jaguar rear setup or something with twin shocks. So that bit that you saw sticking out with the thread, that was actually quite long. Like, how long was it? Like 240 mil long or something like that. And it had, originally they were M10s threads and they were bending. So I put them to 1/2 inch by 20 pitch and used a better quality rod. So that was just 4 threads. Pretty simple job. Turned down some 16mm bar to 15.75. I'm guessing the shock's probably got a 16mm bush in the bottom, something like that. So yeah, that was that job. They're well happy with that. That's gone, it's on its way, being fitted to a car now. And yeah, I just thought I'd clarify what I've done. I do that an awful lot, delete footage. But I'm just, yeah, whatever, it's one of them things. Right then, thanks for watching a little bit of machining, and jump on the next video. I hope you enjoy them. See you in the next one video.